Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming what you actually call a launcher on iPhone. Check whether it is a third-party app, a web clip shortcut, or a configuration profile installed by a management system. Open Settings and tap General, then About, to confirm your iOS version. Next, open Settings and tap your Apple ID, then iCloud to verify you have a current backup. Backup to iCloud, or to a computer using iTunes or Finder within 2 minutes of starting these steps. If the launcher is a third-party app, long press its icon on the home screen. Tap Remove App, then Delete App and confirm the deletion. If the launcher is a web clip, long press and delete the shortcut icon, then open Safari and clear website data if needed. For persistent icons, go to Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data. After removing apps or web clips, restart your iPhone to refresh the home screen and system caches. If a configuration profile enforces a launcher, open Settings and tap General. Scroll to VPN and Device Management or Profiles and select any non-trusted profile. Tap Remove Profile and enter your device passcode to confirm removal. Next, open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Home Screen Layout to restore icon positions. If the launcher persists because of deep changes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.